Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come this site dell.com. After that click on support, then click on driver and download, then enter the model number, Alienware 14. After that click on search, then scroll down, wait few seconds to then select the driver, then click on the category. After that you can see the driver, all audio, chipset, mouse, keypad, network, storage. So all driver you can see. So first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11. So Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If we are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver. So first you can see audio driver. So click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box, and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So it is downloaded, then just single click to open. Then click yes for required administrator installations. Then install directly. After that click next. Now this is installing. So it is installed, and no, and finish, and then close it. Slow down, chipset driver, and click to download, and it will start downloading, and it is completed. Then single click to open. Then chipset driver downloaded, just single click to open, then click to yes. Yes, then click install. Then next scroll down, communications, you can see Bluetooth driver. So click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Then click to open. Yes for the administrator installations. Bluetooth driver, click to install. So it will start down installation in the background. After that just close it. Then scroll down, and we can see keyboard, mouse in this touchpad driver. So just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box, and it's depend about your internet speed. So touchpad driver is completed. Then open, single click to open. Then click yes. So you can see touchpad driver. Click to install. Then next to install. This is very basic and simple method. Next, I accept. Next. So driver is installing. Then click to install. Then it is finished. So click on finish, and this is complete. And then close this. You can see touchpad and then close it. Then you can see the chipset driver, it is completed, and then click to OK. Slow down. Network, Ethernet and wireless. So Wi-Fi driver, click to download. So you can see it is downloading. It is completed. Wi-Fi driver, just open. Then click to yes. Then click on install. Then select the languages. Then next. So it is installing, and finish to install, and then close it. Install then graphic card driver. Slow down. So you can see NVIDIA graphic card driver for the video. Okay, graphic driver, this is AMD graphic driver, and this is NVIDIA driver. So install any same process. Okay, so click to download. Same installations, downloading, same process. Oh, it is completed. Then open, single click to driver, then click to yes, and click on install graphic driver. So guys, display driver is next to install. Then restart your system and then check it.